Hi guys, this is the Book Triangle, and today we will talk about the book How I Quit Google to Sell Samosas. Let's talk about storyline. So, by now, you might be knowing that this book is about the food business, and the story in this book rotates around the adventures with the Pohri kitchen. It starts with Munaf's decision to quit a much more lucrative job in Wrigley India Private Limited for Google, and then quitting Google for starting up the Pohri Kitchen. Book talks about establishing and promoting TBK till the middle part of the book. So basically, you will see a startup growing, facing difficulties, and making a high impact on the F&B industry by introducing something new, that is the home dining experience. If we talk about the characters, Munaf will be everywhere because it is his story only, and his mom will be there too in most of the chapters as a mom chef. You cannot guess the story, there are many ups and downs, but it will also make you laugh too. What will you get? You will get an ample amount of inspiration from this book. So, if I have to give the weightage, this will be 70%. You will get inspiration, and the rest 30% you will not stop yourself to laugh. Is it interesting? The story kept me turning the pages as I was so excited to know what will happen next, and I was able to finish in 2 days. There are 20 chapters, and I feel in 2 to 3 chapters it was a bit informative. That may lead you to skim through the pages, as too much information might be boring for some people, unless you are not preparing for UPSC. I also felt that many times writer keeps telling about the same topic. It was the need of the story though, but this also keeps the story pace bit slow. So who should read this book? If you are looking for starting up your business, especially in the food sector, then this book is best for you. If you just wanted to know the story of a person who quit Google to do something else and why he did that, this book is for you. You will not find it interesting if you don't want to keep walking in the circle or you are a fiction reader. So let's talk about our triangle rating. I will give it 3.8 ratings out of 5 stars. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching this channel and let me know in the comment section what else you want to know.